guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is another beauty video with me. I'm gonna show you how you can remove facial hair, specific focus on the mustache. I'm gonna demonstrate it to you on somebody else, but also that you can do it on yourself at home. Heads up, it might be a bit painful, but I'm gonna show you a trick how to make it less painful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more weekly videos, and hit the notification bell to get notified once a new video comes up. Well, I hope you enjoy watching. So we need a toner, 2 cotton swabs, and a tweezer. So we're gonna start by putting a bit of toner on the cotton swab and then wiping the area clean, and then putting it on one side. Then we're gonna soak another cotton swab in toner and put it on the other side. So the reason why we're doing this here is to make the hair more delicate and softer, so it's easier and less painful to pull. Let it sit for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we're going to wipe the relaxed hair. So now we're ready. We're gonna start with the tweezer. I'm showing you here how you can pull it first, so we are going to do it in one direction, diagonally like this. We're starting at the bottom first and then working our way up. Remember to hold the skin a bit stretched, so it's easier for you to have an overview on the hair. Every time when there is hair all over the place, you can use a cotton swab with toner to wipe the excess hair away. Once we reach the half, we're gonna do it in a vertical direction like this. So just to remember, the first lower part is diagonally and the upper part is vertically like this. We want to twist in the same direction as the hair. Once we're at the very top or the middle part, we're gonna twist downwards, but we're gonna hold our lips tight like this. Once we reach the middle, we're gonna have a good look and then wipe again. Now we're gonna do the other part. The bottom part, we're gonna do it the same way, diagonally, and the upper part, we're gonna do it vertically. And now we're finished. Well, my client had to take a couple of deep breaths during the process, since beauty is pain, as you may know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly videos. Here comes the blooper. I'm gonna show you how to remove lace.